It hit me like a ton. You hit me like a ton. No, no, no. Ooh yeah. Well, I turned my feelings on. I turned my feelings on inside. Yeah. Feel like I'm gonna ignite. I saw them stars go off. I saw them stars go off at night. Ooh yeah. And they're looking alright.
Roll up, keep roll up, get up, roll it up, keep up, show
me like a tone.
Oh,
it hit me like a tone.
Oh,
it hit me like a tone. I turned my camera on. I cut my fingers on the way. On the way, on the way. I feel me slipping away. I wipe my feelings off. You made me untouchable for life.
roll up,
Oh yeah, and you wasn't polite. You hit me like a ton. I don't know where it's from. It hit me like a ton. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Camera on. Ooh yeah. Camera on. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. I turn my camera on the tone. I turn my camera on the tone. I turn my camera on the tone. I turn my camera on. Feel me slip away.
Once again, state of mind for the blend. Check it out. Say yes.
Yeah.
Say yes.
Say yes if you think that you should speak what you feel. Say yes for the artists that be keeping it real. Say yes. And if you got the spirit, stand tall. Say yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Say no to the blood sucking down, press a man. Say no if you're ready for some buckshot land. Say no if you're fed up and ready to brawl. Say no way, y'all. No way, y'all. This one is for the refugees, the child soldiers, carrying the weight of the world upon their shoulders. The homeless. A few true microphonists not afraid to raise the fist to use the groove against the opponent. Horns for the Haitian and rhyme for Rwanda. Kick it for the Congo on the one for Obama. I bring the drama like a suicide bomber for the people of Tibet and the Dalai Lama. I'ma pass it over cause I'm too vexed to keep on. The kind of crap designed to make you clap, yet we weep on. The trees gone cut all across the globe. Can't nobody see we've had a Holocaust before. Hey yo, what's the cost of hope and that of a democracy? Liberty, freedom and equality, you follow me? A call to peace now, pivotal, lyrical, spiritual cleansing of minds that strikes critical. Say yes, you think that you should speak what you feel. Say yes, for the artists that be keeping it real. Say yes, and if you got the spirit, stand tall and say yes, yes, y'all.